So Cody, we're boating today or what?
Oh yeah. Get ready for a big party.
Big party? Like we're going wakeboard and we're doing some other stuff?
Yeah, we're gonna flash the boat up and fill the ballast. And
where is everybody at? Where is everybody at?
They'll be here in a couple hours.
Do you think they'll find us?
I hope so.
Like again, you know, is there gonna be enough room for everybody?
In the boat?
Yes.
Possibly. Maybe not.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I sure hope they can find us so we don't get lost on the lake.
I think we just pick the people we want.
I tell you what, man. Like, I tell you, you know, if a storm comes up and stuff, you know, you got the safety gear and stuff on here. You got an anchor and stuff?
No.
No? You might need an anchor, maybe. You know, I think the problem is they can't find maybe the location. The lake's pretty big that we're in.
Yeah.
They probably may not be able to find us. Like, if they can't find us, I sure hope we told them which side, you know, which side that we were going to be at. Which side? Did you tell them?
Yeah, no.
The north side or the south side?
Probably the north side.
Did you tell them we're right next to the dock?
The rubber ducky.
We're right next to the dock. Tell them next to the dock and kind of over by the towels. And, you know, be careful. Remember, guys, don't try this at home.
So here we are. We got a boat and we got a crane.
And a swimming
And on
pool.
the other side of this garage, we have a swimming pool. What could go wrong? There we go. The lift is on.
Hey, Danny, are you gonna get her lined up at the boat ramp?
Yeah, just hook up,
Hook it up.
get your water skis on, and take you for a pull.
I tell you what, Danny, I don't think the boat is gonna come up the ramp. There could be an issue here, Danny.
You know what? I don't think we're gonna get lost out here. That's one thing for sure.
Are you gonna be able to get her up on plane?
Well, we've got a rope tied to the stern, so if I throttle up, I think we can do it.
You're gonna have to. I don't know how you're gonna get the truck in here, but there's got to be a way here. But again, I don't think it'll. She ain't gonna fit up the boat ramp. I don't think. What do you think, Coach? Gonna fit in the boat ramp or what?
That'll be a tough call. If you hit it fast enough, it will.
Tell you what, yeah.
We're gonna crane the truck.
Hey, look, it's Free Willy. You know what, guys? Everybody always talks about it, putting their boat in a swimming pool. And I tell you what, these crazy buggers, they actually did put their boat in a swimming pool. Why? It's because they could. That's why.